In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make this really cool tilted text effect in Canva. And this is one of the things that I've looked for too long and I just couldn't find how it worked in Canva. So let me show you how to do it. So we're starting from a blank slide and let's give it a nice background color. So go to background color and I'm choosing this gradient here. I think that will always look nice. Then press T to add some text and then let's type in tilted, the word, and increase it quite a lot. Now I'm going to use a font called Anton and then add it to the slide. Let's make it white. And now if we want to have that tilted effect, if we turn it like this, it sort of looks a bit odd. So it's not straight, it doesn't look very right. And there's also no effect that we can tilt it. Either we curve it or we can't do very much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in cursive. So select all the words, place it in italic, and then I'm going to turn this about 10 to 15 degrees so that it still looks like those letters are straight and up, but actually it's just that italic sort of thing counterbalancing them. Now I'm going to give this a text effect, and then for the shadow I'm going to use, let's say, a darker tone of a red. So this is already quite cool, and then you can just copy it and it remains an editable text box. So even if you expand it, you can type in text effect and then just play around with the text effects. But I think this looks quite cool on some designs if you want, and that gives a really cool touch to your typography. So this is how you can create that tilted text effect in Canva in just a few seconds. And it's not quite hard, but it can really level up your design game. So thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.